Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to install and configure Active Directory domain services on Windows Server 2025. First, let's assign a static IP address to the server. Open your network settings, go to Ethernet, change adapter options, then right-click and choose Properties. Select IPv4 and set your preferred IP, subnet, gateway, and use 127.0.0.1 or another DNS. It's best to rename your server before promoting it to a domain controller. In Server Manager, click Local Server, then click the computer name to change it. Enter something like DC01 and restart your server when prompted. Now, open Server Manager again and click Add Roles and Features. Choose Role-Based Installation, then select your server. Check Active Directory Domain Services and click Add Features when prompted. Click Next all the way through and click Install. This will take a few minutes. Once done, don't close the wizard. After installation, click Promote this server to a domain controller. Select Add a new forest and enter your domain name, something like mydomain.local. Set a strong DSRM password and continue. You might see a DNS delegation warning, just ignore it and click Next. Review the NetBIOS name and paths, then click Install. Your server will reboot automatically after promotion. Once rebooted, go to Server Manager, click Tools, and open Active Directory Users and Computers. Your domain should be listed here. You can now create users, groups, and organizational units. And that's it. You've successfully set up Active Directory on Windows Server 2025. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more sysadmin and server management content.